Here we go. Look what has arrived. Electric mini bike. Offspeed. Oh, it's bigger than I expected. What do we get in here? Let's have a look. I'm going to put you guys down and get out the important stuff to see how this thing goes together. Alright, decent. Ooh, right then. Looks like I'm just going to get these handlebars put on. Seat in place. I'm guessing somewhere else in here is the charger and bits. Ah! Even comes with a little tool set, that's good. Right. Around it. It's really smart. The stickers. Offspeed. So, twist and go. Flash. I'm sure it'll be fine. Very robust. Let's get it built. Holding on. It's just coming off. Just the wheel. Just set that to the side. Come back to that after. That. So just probably show you those 4 and 5 now. Going through these. Looks like it's all reaching. So now we'll tighten it up. Whoops. I'll switch to the bigger. Where that foot plate is. I think it might be height. Oh, it's got a long height adjustment. Oh, another thing. Just a quick look at this. So the seat has got some deliberate markings on, so that's where it's going to bite onto the grip around this neck piece here. You see, so drop that in there. Tighten that up. Probably going to be adjusting this again after, so I'm just going to be quite crude with it. I haven't got Harry here to sit on it and test it, so yeah, we'll see. Just doing it by eye really. Okay, again, not over tightening because you don't want that to snap off because that would be a nightmare. Cool. This bit will flip him over. That now. Put that out. I've already took this piece of plastic off that was protecting that from penetrating the box. Some little lugs and nuts and stuff here. So these little bits here, and that's it as well. Quite common, find them on a regular bike as well. They will, let me show you a bit closer. They will marry up to these holes in here to stop the screws and the washers from spinning when you tighten that bit up there. So let's just get that done. No. I don't think there's a orientation or directional arrows or anything. Nope. To be able to see those nuts and washers. Okay. So thinking, yeah, you pull all of them out, so you loosen this off, pull them out, both sides, and then that drops into there. No, take it back. So that is, I'm going to put, yeah, sorry, don't put more back. You have, so there's a nut, a washer with a little lug on it, a little return, and then another washer. You want one on the inside, one on the outside. The same for this side. That one goes there, that one goes on the inside. Because it's going to pull these bars in together on the wheel. But I just looked and there's quite a little bit of a gap, so that tells me that's how it goes. Now you see this little piece, okay, in that top hole there, just hold them in. You can just sort of finger tighten that one for now. And we can come back with the spanner. Comes with a spanner. It's quite a hefty little spanner actually. Usually they're quite rubbish, these things that get supplied with sort of the in-box sort of toolkits. I was going to go and grab one on my own, sort of adjustable or proper spanner from the toolkit, but this one is quite substantial, which is cool. Oh, that one's already dropped in itself, saved me a job. Look at that one. So you can see that's sat inside that hole, and that is done. Just tighten them both up. Charge port just there. Get that out. That rubber seal, it's all good. Little pin. And that is what that marries up to. Charging. Whack that in there. Him in the wall. And we charge him. Right, so it's got a green. So it's ready to go. However long it takes to charge this battery in here, that light will turn back to green when it's ready. So we'll come back to it. Try the brake. Oh yes, a sharp brake. This is the speed limiter control wire. Literally a case of unscrew this. Open that. It's a little wire, speed control wire. So that's connected. So all you've got to do is pop that out. Do it one-handed, it's not easy. Okay, that's disconnected. Speed control wire. Put the little cover plate back on. Oh yeah! Much faster. Quick. Let's go. Right guys, that is a wrap. Thank you for watching. Remember there'll be a link in the description to the Offspeed website where you can pick up one of these bikes in either 12 or 16 inch. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like our content. And yeah, just be safe and wear all the protective gear.